Hi there. So it's week 6 on a lockdown. I hope you are staying home, keeping safe and well. To be honest, I haven't been out for like more than 6 weeks now, and I'm not complaining, but actually, I am so grateful, mostly grateful for all the frontliners out there. Thank you very much for all the heroic acts that you're doing and the sacrifices. Thank you for all that you do. So, for today's episode, I wanted to do something sweet, but life happens. And when I say life happens, it's when my husband decides that he wants potato salad. And bingo, here I am sharing with you my creamy potato salad, and I'm pairing it with honey glazed tamarind air fried chicken. Normally, this is how my potato salad looks like. Pretty, isn't it? But because of the lockdown, it looks plain, but it's still bright and creamy. For the chicken, I normally make tamarind air fried chicken. Yep, you heard it right. It's air fried because I'm telling you, ever since my husband got me this gadget, I've been using it practically every day. But if you don't have any, oven is fine. So, how did the tamarind air fried chicken evolve into honey glazed tamarind chicken? Well, I'll tell you that later. But as it turns out, the contrasting sweetness from the honey and the tanginess of tamarind was a perfect imperfection. Okay, on to my kitchen and let's play some Cloy playlist, shall we? So let's start with our potato salad. We need three large potatoes that we boil for about 20 minutes, and then after that, we put it on ice bath to stop the cooking. When it's cold to handle, slice it by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. We also need three eggs, and we boil it as well. Then slice it into almost the same size as our potatoes. Then we also use honey, onion powder, or you could use raw onions, and then half a cup of mayo. And then we need lemon, salt and pepper to taste, one stalk of celery minced, lemon and orange. All right, so for the easy peasy procedure, we mix all together mayo, salt, and pepper. And then we also put the zest of the lemon and orange, put some honey there, mix it all together, and then toss in the potatoes. Be gentle so that you don't break it apart. And then lastly, you want to put the eggs there. And then again, be light and gentle as you don't want the eggs to break apart as well. And that's it. Cover it, put it in the fridge. It is best to serve it cold. Now, on to our chicken. We need 2 leg quarters, salt, pepper, tamarind mix, and our secret ingredient, butter. Plus, the other secret is the honey. Now, for the procedure, first we have to rub in salt and pepper and also the tamarind mix. Notice that I keep one hand wet and the other one dry. Then, as I've said, this is our secret, the butter, but this will make your chicken moist. Make sure to microwave it a bit to melt it, and then you pour it over your chicken or rub or massage it inside and outside of the skin. Remember, this is a very important step to make your chicken delicious. Okay, we're ready to air fry it. I put 1 leg quarter at a time because even my chicken needs physical distancing. No, to make it more crispy. So I set it at air fry and for 20 minutes. That's how simple it is to use this gadget. And also, I don't have to worry about oil splattering and stuff like that. Plus, it's so convenient to clean it. It's so easy. So I let the gadget do the cooking for 12 minutes. I flip it just to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly. So right there, flip the chicken and put it back in for the rest of the 8 minutes. And then when it's done, when I hear that sound, toot toot, it's the end. But then here was the twist of the story. I didn't like the way it looked. I cooked it again for another 2 minutes. When I saw it, I still didn't like it. So I got some honey, poured it over, and I think that did the magic. The honey was like a ray of sunshine. It brightened up my chicken. I coated it twice actually, put it back in to cook some more. Another 2 to 3 minutes, and that final touch did it. I was happy with my chicken. It's shimmering gold. And I got the potato salad, put some fresh fruits to just it up, and dinner's ready. I can't help but say,
It's so crispy.
while he says, to hear that is one thing, but the other thing is it's a budget friendly meal. That's a wrap.